Yeah, you good.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, you good. You good money, bro.
Often I'm feeling confused. I mean, it's like I'm staying focused, but then I'm losing my balance. Never feed into the BS, cause I know it's propaganda. See twisted lies that only conceive you. Try to confuse you. I'm having visual thoughts about the future, but then people be thinking it's funny. But I try to tell them that stay hid in this game. Like, I don't need nobody, cause I'm just stay hid in this game. See, it's not what you say, nor what you know, but what you can prove, can do. Living this life so I can tell it, so let my story be told. You can't be going back and forth, it's either you do or you don't. More often the times, you getting distracted and reach your goals. Don't let it tempt you. See opportunities for the one to strive to make it, ones who deserve it, but there's a flip side to this coin. There's no second chance. It's just speaking the truth so that people can hear it, but they don't seem to care. Less is marijuana, woman, or money. That's as well. They want to listen, and why I am the way I am. Just know that God made me for a reason. I learned that speaking the truth will get you hated, and being conceited. And so this need I forget to mention the truth comes out of the people. Once they see you win it, don't need no looking at all. And once that hate gets strong inside you, that's when the sober mind splits out. Your body can't seem to handle you. Lose a lot of your friends. It's time flying by. Most of them become your foes. Foes ain't nothing but trouble. Damn. Hate to break it all to you. Sorry for bursting your bubble. Just spend something for you to relate to. Still looking for that special girl. Where you both share a special connection, the body to show her and I. It's an even a mental, just hoping I can be successful. Just take it one day at a time to be known as the greatest has ever done it. There's a lot to be proven. Lord, forgive me for my sins in this crucial world. My head trying to survive, be independent. Be on my own, these sneaky women who play your man like it's sweeter, like the Eminem man. They only try to use it, try to play it, hurt that the word that we living in. The opposite's attracted, that you don't know what you had till it's gone. That's how you can't be lacking. Having that special someone who you love and trust is hard to come by. It's like your birthday on the 29th of February, it rarely happens. Damn. The misconception of how you feel towards another can be quite deceiving, can be mistakenly misleading or misunderstood or even misguided. That's how you live life, so you can tell it. You live out of the knowledge, but that's the word that we living in. Accept it or not. What you think is not what you know, more of a thought.
Yeah.